welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me over on this side of the YouTube. For those of you that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Becky. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this video and I hope you guys stick around. So in today's video I am going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. This is the Y2K bun hair tutorial, and I just thought I'd just try it and give it a go for spring. I think it would be perfect for going ahead with spring and summer, and I kind of wanted my natural hair to be getting a bit of air. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then continue watching. And before I get started with the video guys, don't forget to click that like button, click that subscribe button and comment down below. So I'm just going to show you guys the products that I will be using today. This is the sulfate 8. It's very good for your scalp, dandruff and itching, and it's like a hair grease. This oil, this is my first time using it. I'm just going to use it on the ends of my hair, but very much recommended. Now this is the Salon Pro hair glue. This is all-time favorite, and I would say the favorite for everybody right now is the Got To Be spray. This is going to be slicking down the sides. Okay, so I'm going to take the head wrap off, and my hair is still pretty damp. This is just to kind of stop the dripping, but I have my hair still pretty much really damp because it will just help to separate and part my hair. The curl pattern in my hair is still quite, you know, I just like looking at it at this level, so it's really nice. So here I am just separating the hair into sections before I blow dry. My hair is pretty thick and we don't want to be breaking any teeths in the comb, so I'm just doing that part, which can kind of take a while, and I have hair comb trauma, so I just take my time and part the sections. So now I've got my blow dryer. I will link this blow dryer down below. This is like the lifesaver, life-changing hair dryer, and I just find it so easy to blow dry my hair nowadays. My hair is really thick and sometimes uncontrollable, but it has its own personality and we're here for it. Love it. So now I kind of just, you know, blow drying all around, all the sides, not too high in heat. I've kind of blow drying on a really low heat, so the hair is still pretty much really damp, and it's on like a kind of cool heat, so like on number 1 if you ever decide to get this product. So now I'll take the straightener and I'll put my hair into sections, and I will just use the flat iron to go over it. It's still on a bit of a low heat, even though it doesn't look it. It looks like my hair's gonna be set on fire any moment now, but that is purely pretty much because of the grease. It causes the smoke. Yeah, but it's not harmful and it doesn't hurt at all. So I have it on a low heat here as well, probably like 180 I have it on.
180 to 200 I have it on, and as you can see I've done most of the sections and I'm finding my way all the way to the top. Like, really guys, don't be frightened by the smoke. My hair isn't like going to blow up in flames. So now I'm gonna part my hair in a rectangle kind of shape to get the front where I'm going to have a kind of long fringe, I would say, where I'm going to add the streaks. So as you can see, the box is not straight, and to me I feel like I'm going to take hair away. I just want it kind of perfect in a sense. So I'm just straightening up the sides and deciding whether I want it as a swoop or as a back. So this is the hair that I'm going to use, nothing special, just a synthetic blonde pieces that I have in a bag of hair that I'm not sure where I got it from, guys. I'm so sorry. I just have a bag of hair and there's happens to be blonde streaks in there, so yeah. Here, once I have decided to know where I want the streaks and the position, I am using the scissors to cut to the length of my hair, and then using a eyebrow shaver just to kind of fray the ends so it looks a little bit natural. Just a little bit natural. Yeah. So I've already done the back and the sides, and I'm loving the highlights here. And here you can see me trimming down the fringe bit as I've already added the hair. Yeah, so that's me checking it out. I've taken the straightener now, and that's me deciding whether I've curled it first. So I was wondering if I wanted it curled or not. I think I had it curled in the beginning, then I straightened it again, didn't like it, and then I had it curled at the end. Just deciding really. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the back. I haven't sticked anything yet. My hair at the back, I don't really like to stick it too much because it just pulls too tight. I don't like that feeling. So I usually have it out, or I curl the ends for that. So I've got my go-to got2b spray, and I'm just using a slick wooden brush, medium size, and just catching the edges. I didn't even put that much got2b spray on because the hair is quite straight as it is, and I've just used my headscarf to kind of hold down for a few minutes, and yeah, that is the look, guys. This is what I be looking like on the streets, walking around London, all cute and pretty. So yeah, that's the Y2K bun for you guys. I really hope it was helpful, and hope to see you guys soon. Yeah, bye.